In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms responses. By the end, you'll have an automation that listens for new form submissions and instantly creates a structured task in ClickUp, saving you time and keeping your team organized. We'll do this using Make's Templates Gallery. Start by opening Make and heading straight to the Templates section. This is where pre-built automations live, so you don't have to start from scratch. If this is your first time here, take a second to glance at the layout. There's a search bar at the top and filters that let you focus on specific apps. Templates are handy because they already contain the right modules and connections. You just personalize them with your accounts and fields. Next, use the search bar to look for Google Forms and ClickUp together. Typing both app names helps narrow the results to templates that connect those services. You'll see options that mention creating a ClickUp task whenever a new Google Forms response arrives. Open a few descriptions if needed, and pick the one that matches your goal. A quick tip here: skim the template's summary to confirm it includes a Google Forms trigger and a ClickUp Create Task action. That ensures the flow is ready for your use case without extra rework. Now, open the template you want and start the setup. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account so the template can access your form responses. Sign in through the secure authorization window and choose the specific Google form you want to monitor. Then connect your ClickUp account, select the correct workspace, and choose the list where new tasks should land. This is a great moment to think about organization. Pick the space, folder, and list that align with your team's workflow, so tasks arrive exactly where they belong. With connections in place, map your fields. Use a clear form question for the task name. Send longer answers into the description, and map any relevant fields like priority, due date, or tags if the template provides them. If your form collects contact details or links, include those in the description so the assignee has everything at a glance. Consider a naming convention, like adding the form, title, or a date token to the task name to make tasks easy to search. Before finishing, run a quick test using a recent form response to confirm everything flows correctly. When the test looks good, save your changes. From now on, every new Google Forms response will automatically create a well-structured task in ClickUp, keeping your team informed without any manual copy-paste.